Economical Car Insurance Canada app. The pros, the cons. The Economical Car Insurance Canada app is designed to make managing your auto coverage simple and efficient. Most people think it's only for viewing policy information, but it actually allows claim submission, digital card access, premium tracking, and support requests directly from your phone. Claims management is a key feature. You can file a claim, upload photos, and track its progress in real time. Digital cards are always available, which makes it easy to prove coverage when needed. Premiums are easy to monitor, with reminders and a complete history of payments. Policy details, including coverage limits and deductibles, are also accessible. Convenience is another strength. Updating personal information, requesting minor policy changes, or contacting support can all be done through the app, saving time and effort. The app also provides quick access to discounts and savings opportunities. On the downside, offline functionality is limited, and some users report slow performance when accessing older claims or uploading large files. Advanced tools like detailed accident cost analysis or coverage comparison are more limited than on the desktop platform. In conclusion, the Economical Car Insurance Canada app is a practical and user-friendly tool for managing your auto insurance. Its main strengths include streamlined claims handling, digital access, and clear premium tracking. While some advanced features are limited, it provides all the essential tools needed to manage your coverage effectively.